Hello, hello, hello. What is up? Hi. Alright, so as you can see, the setup has changed. If you remember this setup, then you are an OG listener, watcher, whatever of this channel, of my journey. So, yeah, enough of bullshit. I'm in Bombay at my home with my fam, and इट वॉज अ वेरी सडन प्लान जो कि मैंने लास्ट वीक अचानक से प्लान किया. एंड बेसिकली कैसा था कि एज आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट वीकेंड कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे मैं चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ. एंड ऑन मंडे आई गेट एन ईमेल फ्रॉम this exam that I had applied for, and I sort of ignored that email. Like I was like, yeah, I'll check, but I didn't actually check it on Monday, and I skipped it on Tuesday as well. And then on Wednesday, in the evening, around 12 to 1 a.m., I finally checked it, and I came to know that the exam which I was talking about, which I've been talking about for the past 2 weeks, is happening this weekend. Like I'm talking about the third, right? So this weekend and on 7th of June in Bombay, in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. And I was like, what the fuck? Because I had neither prepared. I had neither prepared. I was not studying on a day-to-day basis. I was not doing any type of preparation for the exam. So my very first instinct was like, yeah, fuck it, I'm not going. But when I actually discussed it with Ujjwal, or like I think Ujjwal only, then I came to, I mean, he told me that, bro, no matter what, you should actually go and attend the exam, because no matter what, there is always something to learn from every experience you have. So at least just go for the exam, sit for it, let's see what happens. At least you will understand how the exam papers are, what are the rules and stuff. So I was like, yeah, let me think about it. So I took a 1 day's time, and finally the next day, on 4th in the evening, I decided that yes, I need to go, and I booked the flight tickets. So I booked the flight tickets for the next day, which is Thursday. Yeah, I think. Yes. Yes. I think on Thursday I booked the tickets. Thursday evening my tickets were from Bangalore to Bombay, and I was supposed to come here, reach here around 12:30 a.m. on Friday. But thanks to SpiceJet, the airline I love the most, the flight just got delayed by 6 hours. So instead of reaching at 12:30 a.m. in the night, I reached at 7 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, it was just 5 to 6 hours of delay, which is completely fine. Like, yeah. So I love SpiceJet, by the way. Yeah. So that happened. So I've been here since Friday. Friday I did a work from home, and Saturday, today it is Sunday. So yes. And now the interesting part is that the exam was supposed to happen today, but yesterday when I was studying for the exam, I realized that I am wasting my time. I'm wasting my effort, because although I'm interested in public policy and stuff like that, and I think that was one of the major reasons I sort of applied for this exam. Despite that, I was not ready, or like, if you ask me that is this what you want to do for the next 1 year of your life, is this the salary that you want to work at for the next 1 year for the next 1 year of your life, and is this exactly what you want to do right now at this point of time in your life, with whatever knowledge you have, whatever goals you have, whatever aspirations you have, whatever skills you have, then my answer would definitely be no. So this is exactly what I gave. This is exactly what I thought of for like 3 to 4 hours yesterday. From like, I was prepared. Okay, I had read through the Maharashtra Economic Survey documents. I had also listened to some podcasts about public policy, about Maharashtra specifically, about Bombay, about how state government is doing so many things as compared to other states. What are the things that we are leading at in terms of states? So like, I was doing my like very lowish but like very decent type of preparations. But despite that, I was not happy with I mean, despite that, when I actually went on to sleep yesterday at 2 a.m., I was like, do I really want to do this? I mean, because see, I live in Bombay, and I live in the Bombay, like in the, one of the main areas of Bombay, Andheri. So it takes me 2 hours to reach Kharghar, where actual my examination was. If I go by metro, if I go by local train, which is the cheapest and the best option, and if I go by cab as well, it will take me 700, 800 rupees, which is fine. But my main concern was कि let's say like 0.00001% chances that I get selected. I get selected for the interview round, and I also get selected for the final 60 candidates. What will happen then? Like, do I actually want to do this? Like, do I actually want to do this? And the answer that was coming from within me was no. So I tried convincing myself कि नहीं यार जाते हैं थोड़ा सा, you know, I'll learn a lot of things. I will experience how a state level examination, how a civil servant examination sort of happens and stuff, and all these different things, right? I mean, it's not civil servant, but like still, right? I mean, you're serving the people, you're working with the government. So in those terms, I'm calling it a civil servant exam or a job. But yeah, roughly the point of view was that I tried convincing myself, but still, despite all of these different conversations that I had with myself for like 4 hours, it took me 4 hours. My examination, and I'm talking about yesterday, all right, like yesterday, today when my exam was supposed to happen at 9:30 a.m. and I'm doing all of this just like the night before the exam, right? So I was supposed to sleep at 2, wake up at 5, get ready, go, like leave for the exam. I tried sleeping, but when I actually went on to bed, it took me 4 hours of overthinking कि अरे यार करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. Is this a waste of time? Like, I'll pack my bag, I'll go 2 hours, I'll travel 2 hours, go there, sit in front of a computer, go give this exam, which I 100% know that I'm not going to get selected for. Or even though I get selected and I do get an opportunity, this is not exactly what I want to do for the next 1 year, depending where I am right now in my life and the things I actually want to do in life, right? So considering all of this, it took me 4 hours to finally convince that okay, I'm not doing this. Alright, so I decided to not attend the examination. That's the biggest, I don't know if it was a good decision or not, but yes, the entire reason I came here to Bombay was to give this examination, and at the very last moment, like literally few hours ago, I decided to just completely sort of skip the exam and not even show up at the examination center. Now, I don't know if this was a good decision or not, but I did what my heart said, like what I was actually feeling internally. And even though it has happened, it's been some time, I'm still not feeling any regrets or anything like that. Now that I'm actually talking about it, this is the only time where I'm thinking about it. I haven't even thought about it since morning. So I don't know if it was a good decision or not, but like my main point of view was that, yeah, I mean, because currently I'm also working on some really other important projects with two of my online friends, and I was like, let's just focus on that. And there was some other work which I wanted to do, जो घर के काम थे मुझे वो भी करने थे. So I was like, it does not make sense for me to go there, like waste, since it is not aligned with my main goals and actual goals of life at this point of time. It's a waste of time for me. So like, instead of wasting 6 to 7 hours, like 4 hours in traveling from Andheri to Kharghar and then coming back and actually giving the examinations and stuff like that, it's easily going to take like 8 to 10 hours of my day, and I'm not gonna get any fruitful things out of it. So I decided, like I thought of it in all these different terms, and then I finally decided to sort of just let it go, and I did. So I did not show up for the examination center, and that was something that happened. I know it's weird because that is exactly what I came here for, and didn't actually show up. But yeah, I also did some other really important, one of the most important things, I mean, आई थिंक भगवान ने मुझे भेजा ही इसके लिए था कि तू जा और ये काम कर कर आ, बिकॉज ये काम बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। मैं उसके बारे में अभी यहाँ पे बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा, इसके बारे में मैं ईयर एंड पे बात करूँगा। ईयर एंड जो मेरा वीडियो आता है हर साल का, उसके बारे में उसमें ये बात करूँगा, बट अभी मैं उस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा बिकॉज मतलब मेरी वैसे आदत नहीं है। मैं भी उसमें उस टाइम पे भी मैं बात करूँगा नहीं करूँगा, नो आइडिया, बट स्टिल just to give you a hint, I bought something for my family, and something that they have been struggling very badly with, and I bought something which is going to help them solve this problem. So yeah, that's how I decided to sort of solve that problem. And other than that, I sort of skipped gym as well as running for like 3 to 4 days continuously, so I'll have to restart it as soon as I go back. Like the entire 75-day challenge will again restart, because although I've bought my shoes, although I've bought my other important things, and I have cult, so I can go to gym anywhere in this country, so that's not an issue. But still, since I've come here after a long time, after like 2 months, I really want to like spend some time with the family and stuff. So that's like the main goal right now. And yeah, so it's, I would say, very chill type of a week. Nothing that special, nothing that productive, uh, you know. And man, what the fuck, like the amount of heat and जिस लेवल की गर्मी है बॉम्बे में, I mean, the moment I stepped out of the airport, I literally felt that humidity, and it was crazy, like literally crazy. So yeah, uh, coming from Bangalore, the weather there is like much chill, much way better than here. And this is the first time where I felt so much humidity in Mumbai, like literally so much humidity. As soon as I step out of my home, or as soon as I stepped out of the airport, I felt it. So that thing is real. The heat here is real. Alright, so yeah, so roughly this is what all that has happened. Nothing that productive, nothing that special, but yeah, I think this trip was really important. एक दूसरा बहाना देके मुझे यहाँ पे भगवान ने भेजा, एंड जो मेन था वो हो गया है. सो या रियली फीलिंग गुड अबाउट इट. एंड yeah, that's it. I think that's all that I have to say for today, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.